Productions.
Made it to the shop. I'm doing my oil change real quick in tire rotation, and man, these things are heavy, like too heavy. Why did I do this? I should have lowered it. Anyways, yeah, we're gonna do the other side rotation real quick, do the oil change, and then pull in Matt's car real quick.
Today, we're about to do coilovers on Sir Matt's.
You better smash that f***ing like button.
8th gen Accord. They've already kind of set them up, fully maxing this shit, dumping it on its on its day. We got Dylan in the truck. Just did some work on his shit. I think he did.
Redhead in the trunk.
I think he did. What did he do? I think he did a oil change, some other stuff. That's all I know. We got the red Accord. This is the Accord that we're about to absolutely put on its absolute nuts. Yeah, it's got the winter tires on, which is kind of funny. We're about to dump a car on winter tires, make this thing more clapped than it already is. We got this guy. This thing's still as dumb as dirty and dumb as ever. Got big things coming. Big things coming soon. Almost just died. But yeah, we got Matt's Accord coming in. About to do coilovers on that, and once we actually get it in, we'll get it going. We'll start from there. If you know, you know.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
As soon as this thing goes in the air, we're gonna definitely, I say this gets done in 2 hours.
6.5 hours later.
That's what I say. I say maybe. I say like 2 hours. Something like that. Maybe.
I can get it done quick.
Quicker. They're actually, I think what they're gonna do is have one on each side to try and get it done.
Yeah, take apart your back seat first.
Yeah, I'd say they're gonna try and do one on each side, so then they can get it as fast as possible done. All right, I know I showed these a little bit already, but I think we're gonna go like a little more in depth on them. So these are Maxpeedingrods, as you can see. We've heard good and bad things about them. I really don't know what to think. I've never had them on any of my vehicles. So I guess this will be our first test and your first test. I know for sure we're gonna have to mess with the preload because these are already as max as they go, which we have a feeling he's not gonna wanna go lower. Y'all need to tell him if it's not low enough to go lower, because he won't. And that thing needs to be on its nuts. Not the greatest lighting here, but maxing these Johns. Wiggly spring. Yeah, this thing is about to be, little does he know, this thing's about to be on its absolute balls. That panel off. Roof airbag, rear roof airbag.
Yep. If you just want to call these airbag covers, you can call them airbag covers.
I mean, that's usually what they are. People usually call them like interior trim piece.
Yep. I could use a panel tool right now, but you know what?
Isn't this one right here?
X amount of times.
No.
You just fucking rip them off.
Oh.
They're fine. Look at them.
Oh, yeah. Clips are fine. Just like that. Top trim gone. Bolts are accessible. That's what you got to do. Yeah, that bolt coming out just like that. Oh! Trying to get that guy out. You just bang the shit out of it. Bang it. So he undid the bottom bolt to knock the little wishbone looking thing. Knocked it down. He put a little bang to it. He said, and now it's dangling. Oh yeah, there's some light on it. But yeah, now a little dangler. Let's get this guy out, and dude, look, this thing's already out basically, just like that. Just like that. What was done to the one side, they did to the other. Same exact thing. Drop this down, pop that down, drop that. This shit's ready to go. This shit ready to go. He did the bolts, and now they're gonna drop the actual strut, bring the strut out, just like that. Boom. Strut out. Oh yeah. With that garbage ass strut, and with the garbage ass strut. Garbage strut to garbage strut. Then we're gonna get, yeah. You get your visual on this.
That's some sick wiring, dude. Who did that? It was,
Don't lose that
it was
hole,
me.
gang. He said it was me.
These bolts, man.
Yeah, why are they? One's one side, this, and the other ones are all the different sides. Alright, back to that actually fucking working.
What?
Never mind,
Why are they all different?
Why are they not working?
Looks okay. It should just.
It fits.
Yeah,
It's just you,
the bolts are bigger.
yeah, you're sitting, dude. This thing's gonna sit so low. Oh my god. Oh my god. So, fair warning, it might be so low. You're gonna need another jack to probably jack up the lower control arm. Shit. And raise it up so that it can fit back into that knuckle because, yeah, this shit's sitting crazy already. I don't think that should be like that. Zip tie to hold the battery down. Just like that. Both side coilovers are put on. The knuckles are still not in. They're gonna do that on each side. But yeah, both ones are on. It's been like 30 minutes, 20 minutes. I think we're gonna knock this out pretty quick. I don't know about y'all. I think they're doing a pretty good job. Yeah! So I just wanted to come out here and show you the progress about what we're gonna do on this. So I think we're about to drop the video of Matt's sub tonight. We're about to go watch it after we do the coilovers. I think we're going to we're gonna make a really good video for Gatlinburg. Just make sure to stay tuned, because trust me, it is gonna be absolutely gas. I have something ordered. You saw the bolt kit that I put it on here. We're going to Gat with this, and we're going to Gat with the BMW. And then me and Dylan are gonna drive down. I think it's like a 9-hour drive for us, which shit, bro. I am not ready for it. I still have to buy a whole tire for my other wheel that's bent my stocks driving out for drift our RCs. But yeah, we've got a lot of videos planned soon. We've got a lot of good content coming soon. We see all the hype. We see our videos are doing pretty decent. Stay tuned. We definitely got some more content coming. Little update.
Bro, what the fuck?
Those are bad. So we're kind of just waiting. Dylan's over there calling AutoZone and O'Reilly's to see if they got a ball joint, because Matt don't think he can fix it. Hopefully they can get this side in. It's giving a little trouble, not too much, but yeah. Yeah, we're going to O'Reilly's to pick up a ball joint for his shit ass Accord.
Those threads were fucked.
All right, just got the ball joint acquired, and
I'm gonna strip this one too, actually.
Oh yeah, good thing they have 6 of them.
Yeah. Wait, they have fucking 6 of them?
Yeah.
Dude, I'm gonna go through 5 then. Perfect.
All right, just got back to the shop. Now he's gonna crank out the control arm, so then he can put the ball joint in, the new one that we got. So yeah, we're waiting on that. I'm pretty sure this side is done, right? Yeah.
We just gotta tighten the bolt.
Yeah, this side is done. It's got the coilover in.
Now we have to fucking smack the shit out of it until it comes out, because we live in the Midwest and it's all corrosion and not much is easy to get out with just a hammer.
Ball. Oh shit. Yeah, there you go. So we got the old one off. Now we're putting the new one on with the press. Yeah. Now he's currently reinstalling the upper controller. And yeah, get this front finally finished. Jesus fuck. Cause like damn, we've been on it for a while. So what they ended up doing was, I think, put 2 zip ties together and they just zip tied it to it. Zip tie the world, yeah. Oh, red matching zip tie too. Zip tie the world, y'all. Zip tie the world. Rear's in the air. Now we're working on the rear. Getting on that rear.
We didn't get a nut. We didn't get a nut with the bolt.
Oh,
A new one. This is a welded nut.
so we ended up having to go get new bolts. These ones were fine. It's just that the rear strut has a welded nut, so we had to get a new one. So yeah, they're just pulling that off. And yeah, the front was on. They jacked it up a little bit. It shit looks crazy. And just like that, the strut's gone. It disappeared. I don't know where it went. Yeah, I think they lost it, to be honest with you. But we got another one. Got a new one, so that's all that matters. Yeah. Oh, that thing gotta go down, I see it. Better clip. They're now actually putting the rear on. We're going to the next side after that, and yeah, we're just waiting from there. This thing's gonna be damn. Wait, I don't know if that's because it's on. Nah, it's because it's not on. I was gonna say this thing got some. Even then, it still got some poke. Trust the process. Trust the process. Trust the process.
About 3/4 of the way done. Got both fronts done. It's gonna be sitting real good. I jacked it up just for fun when it's on there. It's gonna be good, looking good. I got his ride height dialed in pretty good. Most of it's tight right now. Yeah, I got this side all finished up. Got a new bolt on the bottom. Got it maxed out. Still gotta tighten the collars down, but got it fully maxed out. Got him doing the other side. Only pain was the sway bar end link.
So you don't necessarily have to, but he did a sway bar link delete because he didn't want to put them back in. But he had to take them out to put the strut out, to get the strut out. So just like that, bro. This thing is pretty much done, other than finishing up, tightening a couple, finishing up a couple bolts, and yeah, this thing's done. Wait till you see this thing on the ground. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Here we go. First time being on the ground. Perfect. And the compressor stop. Oh my god! I think it's done. Holy fuck.
It's stuck on the lift.
And it's stuck on the lift like all the other ones. Okay. They're gonna try again with wood. Cause yeah, it did not fit. And the front is fucking dumb.
Fuck my shit up.
The front is dumped. I don't know about the rear, but the front is fucking.
Oh god, my fucking mud flaps are already touching the ground.
That thing is dumb.
I'm not turning. I'm not gonna be able to fucking turn.
Yeah, they're gonna raise the front because the rear is not that low. He needs new springs, so they're gonna raise the front to match the rear, so that it looks all right. Wheel back on. He just adjusted that side. He just adjusted this side. Now they're gonna try and put it back on the ground. And maybe it's not so front dumped with the rear. Oh, dude, it looks so good in the front. So he was too low, he almost fucked his fender up. So we're raising it a lot, as you can see. Yeah, raising it a decent amount because we raised it and it was still absolutely dumb.
Honestly, we should just fucking roll them. Big roller, big fender roller, just...
Hopefully this time it's not on the ground and somewhat drivable. All right, let's hope this one's good.
It should be even now. If it's not, I did something wrong. Yep, even. Wow.
That looks a lot better.
That looks mid.
I actually think that looks better though.
I like the tuck better.
The rear looks better. It looks good. I won't lie. It doesn't look terrible.
Oh, wow, it took minimal effort to step out of my car. Holy fucking shit.
Nah, put your wheel straight.
I could go so much lower in the front.
Yeah, dude, you can. Now it looks real raked up front. You gotta go back to go. You gotta go lower. You gotta go lower. No, it looks really bad.